Hi guys, this is a tool that I use all the time. It's an adjustable wrench, or a lot of people call them channel locks because there's channels like right here. You can adjust it to whatever. You can use this for a lot of things. Now when you're using channel locks, the direction that you're going, let's say you're going this way, you want the adjustable jaw, the one that you have your hand on top with, on the bottom, on the direction that you're going. That way it won't come loose. You literally have all your pressure on that. And this one will hold with very little pressure at all. And these things can be used for a lot of things. One of the things, you shouldn't use it is on brass, because like on a brass propane tank, I got a particular peeve because it will tear up the brass as it drags over it. That is really rough. Another thing you can use it for is for pulling nails. You can grab a nail right here, put it on the wood and pull it through. So you can use this for a lot of things, guys. Keep it in mind.